Good morning, everyone. I'm John Daniel Olager, and my partner is Lady Lina Kalinlao, and we're going to tackle about Amelia La Peña Bonifacio, who is an artist. She was born on April 4, 1930. She was a Filipino playwright, puppeteer, and educator known as the Grande Dame of Southeast Asia, Children Threat, in 1977. She founded the Children Theater Troupe, Triatong Mulat ng Pilipinas, the official thread company and puppeteer troupe of the University of the Philippines. Her most notable works were Six the Dulang Pilipino para sa mga bata in 1976, Takluhan 1975, Ang Paglalakbay ni Sisa, Isang Isang No sa Laguna and 1988, Isang Korean sa Pretel 1977 and Sipang Luka 1957 and Abedeha Ang Aking Cinderella 1977. Because of her work, she was called as the Grande Dame of Southeast Asia. One of her best-known works is Puppet Passion, a puppet passion played for children which teaches the death and resurrections of Jesus Christ. It has been staged annually during Holy Week since it was first shown in 1985. So, as we can see, dito sa presentation na nandito si Jesus Christ and it represents the death and resurrections of Jesus Christ. And Amelia wanted to teach yung mga bata regarding sa Christianity and also the teachings of the Savior. The next one is Dalawang Bayani, Intriatong Mulat ng Pilipinas, a fundraising event for worldwide in 2013 in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. But first, in September 8, 2012, is ginanap dito sa Philippines by Amelia La Peña Bonifacio, the Triatong Puppet and Museo. So, kitang-kita naman natin dito si Jose Rizal and Andres Bonifacio. Amelia La Peña Bonifacio was a prominent Filipino playwright, educator, and puppeteer known for her contribution to children's theater and literature. Her purpose as a puppeteer was to create engaging and educational performances that instill culture values and promote literacy among young audiences. Through puppetry, she aimed to make stories accessibly and entertaining, foster a love for storytelling while also preserving Filipino folklore and tradition. She also wrote a book called In Binondo Once Upon a War. The book is written by Amelia La Peña Bonifacio to show kung gaano kahirap yung mga dinanas ng mga bata um, nung war, during the war, World War II. And not only that, of course, sinulat niya rin yung mga joyful moment during the war and paano naging successful yung ang paglaban. The next one is Ibon Adarna. Of course, lahat tayo familiar sa Ibong Adarna. And Ibong Adarna was played in theater in January 4 to 2020. And of course, by leadership of Amelia La Peña Bonifacio and her dedication, nagawa itong puppeteer na ito. Her work often combined artistic expression with social themes enriching the cultural landscape for children in the Philippines. Amelia La Peña Bonifacio work in puppetry was definitely rooted in her passion for storytelling and education. She believed that puppetry was a powerful medium to captivate young audiences, allowing them to engage with narratives in an interactive and imaginative way. Like culture preservation, she sought to preserve promote Filipino folklore and traditions through her puppet shows, introducing children to their rich culture, heritage, educational value, uses puppetry to teach moral lessons, social values, and critical thinking skills, making learning fun and relatively for children, and also literacy promotion by adapting stories into puppetry performances. In 2018, Amelia La Peña Bonifacio was among those named as national artist by President Rodrigo Duterte in recognition to the country's culture. And the national artist for theater Amelia La Peña Bonifacio died on Tuesday, December 29. She was 90 years old at that time. Her dedication and contribution will never forget as an artist or national artist of the Philippines. Thank you for listening, everyone.